stop what you're doing, because the digital skies have just parted, and what has descended? Not a flock of pigeons, thankfully, but the rumored, the whispered about, the practically mythical DJI Mini 5 Pro. After months of radio silence so complete, it made us think DJI had eloped to Mars. Bam! A wild, unedited, real-world sighting has just crash-landed right on the streets of China. And no, folks, this isn't some blurry, pixelated Bigfoot photo. This comes to us via the trusted drone whisperer himself, Jasper Ellens via Drone XL. This leak has more weight than your grandma's fruitcake. It looks legit. The big takeaway? DJI is actively playing with the Mini 5 Pro in the real world, and all signs point to a potential summer 2025 launch. Let's rewind the propellers a bit. The first whispers of the DJI Mini 5 Pro came in December with a prototype leak, but now it's official. Thanks to a street-side spy shot from China, credit to Jasper Ellens and Drone XL, the Mini 5 Pro is out in the wild, being tested. The standout change? Chunkier motors. Bigger motors suggest better power, speed, and payload, raising the big question. Can DJI still keep it under the crucial 250-gram limit, especially with a likely larger camera sensor? Speaking of sensors, let's talk about cameras. Rumor has it, the Mini 5 Pro is rocking a 1-inch sensor. If true, this is a massive leap from the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3-inch sensor. Why does this matter? Well, a bigger sensor means better low-light performance, sharper images, and richer dynamic range. For photographers and videographers, this could be a game changer. And here's the kicker, DJI is sticking with the vertical shooting feature. Love it or hate it, vertical video isn't going anywhere, especially for TikTok and Instagram creators. High-quality vertical footage without post-editing hassles? Yes, please. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty of flying. The leaks suggest an extended flight range of up to 25 kilometers and a jaw-dropping 50-minute battery life. That's a huge jump from the Mini 4 Pro's 34 minutes. For pros covering big landscapes or complex shots, this is a dream come true. And here's where things get really interesting. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to pack advanced AI-powered tracking. Imagine your drone following you flawlessly through a dense forest or weaving between obstacles during high-speed action shots. If DJI delivers on this, it could redefine solo filmmaking. Oh, and there's talk of LiDAR sensors for better obstacle avoidance. But hold up, where are they? The leaked images don't clearly show any LiDAR units. Maybe they're hidden, or maybe it's just wishful thinking. Let us know if you spot something we've missed. Now here's a wild card, audio recording. Yep, you heard that right. The leaks suggest DJI might be dabbling in onboard audio. Imagine syncing real-time sound for commentary or capturing the ambient buzz of your location. It's a strange but intriguing addition for a drone. How will it work? That's anyone's guess. So when's the Mini 5 Pro dropping? Based on DJI's usual playbook, we're looking at a summer 2025 release. August or September, to be precise. And as for the price, let's just say it's not going to be cheap. But with these rumored features, it might just be worth every penny. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a serious upgrade. Bigger camera, smarter AI, longer battery life, and maybe even a few surprises we didn't see coming. But now, it's your turn. Are these leaks enough to get you hyped? Would you make the jump to the Mini 5 Pro when it finally lands? Let us know in the comments below.
The DJI Avata 3 is one of the most anticipated FPV drones of the year, with rumors and leaks sparking excitement among drone enthusiasts. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Avata 2, this next-generation drone is expected to push the boundaries of FPV technology and redefine what's possible in aerial filmmaking and flying. With potential upgrades in camera performance, stabilization, and user-friendly features, the Avata 3 is shaping up to be a game-changer for both professionals and hobbyists. In this video, we'll explore everything we know about its specs, rumored price, and potential release date. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades for the Avata 3 is its camera system. The Avata 2 impressed users with its 1.7-inch CMOS sensor capable of 4K 60 FPS HDR video recording. However, the Avata 3 is expected to feature a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor. This upgrade would enhance image clarity, color depth, and low-light performance, making it a valuable tool for professional videographers seeking cinematic quality footage. Additionally, DJI may introduce advanced color grading profiles or raw video support, giving users greater flexibility during post-production. Battery life is another critical aspect where the Avata 3 could shine. While the Avata 2 offers a solid 23-minute flight time, advancements in battery technology could extend this to nearly 30 minutes. Coupled with more efficient motors and improved power management, this enhancement would cater to both recreational pilots and professionals who require extended aerial sessions for their projects. The prospect of longer flight times adds immense value to the overall flying experience. Stabilization is a cornerstone of DJI's FPV drones, and the Avata 3 is rumored to elevate it further. The Avata 2's Rocksteady and Horizon Steady systems already provide impressive stabilization, but the addition of a mechanical gimbal could make the Avata 3 stand out. This would ensure smoother footage, even during high-speed maneuvers or abrupt directional changes. For FPV pilots looking to capture dynamic, high-energy shots, such advancements would be revolutionary. Another exciting feature could be an upgraded obstacle avoidance system. While the Avata 2 features limited detection, the Avata 3 might introduce omnidirectional sensors for 360-degree obstacle detection. This would significantly reduce collision risks and make navigating tight spaces, urban environments, or forested areas much safer. For beginners, this feature would provide greater confidence, and for professionals, it would allow for more complex flight paths with reduced stress. DJI is also rumored to improve the transmission system with the introduction of O4 technology, building on the Avata 2's O3 Plus system. This upgrade would enhance live feed resolution, reduce latency, and extend the range, enabling pilots to fly farther while maintaining a crystal-clear connection. For FPV enthusiasts, these improvements would make the flying experience more immersive and reliable. Performance-wise, the Avata 3 is expected to bring faster speeds and improved agility, thanks to upgraded propulsion systems. More powerful motors and optimized aerodynamics could make it a top choice for freestyle pilots who demand responsiveness, and for filmmakers capturing fast-paced, high-energy scenes. These enhancements would cater to a wide range of users, from casual flyers to seasoned professionals. User-friendly features are another hallmark of DJI drones, and the Avata 3 is likely to continue this trend. Rumored updates include simplified controls, enhanced flight modes, and potential AI-powered flight assistance. Automated subject tracking, pre-programmed cinematic flight paths, and upgrades to the DJI Goggles 3 and RC Motion 3 controller could make the Avata 3 even more accessible and enjoyable for pilots of all skill levels. As for the release date, DJI has not made any official announcements, but industry experts speculate a mid to late 2025 launch. DJI's history of updating its product lines every 1 to 2 years supports this prediction. Regarding pricing, it's expected to fall between $1,500 and $2,000, depending on the features and bundles offered. While the exact details remain unconfirmed, the excitement surrounding the Avata 3 is palpable. The DJI Avata 3 promises to revolutionize FPV drone technology with its rumored advancements in camera performance, stabilization, battery life, obstacle avoidance, and user-friendly features. What do you think? Are the rumored features enough to get you excited? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates as we get closer to the big announcement.